Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Souter Motors. Jay Lapp with you. Today I have a treat for you. This is a 29-foot travel trailer toy hauler. It is a Forest River Vengeance 28V. It's 29 feet long. We don't have any slide outs on this, so it's nice and light. 6,600 some pounds, empty, and then with the cargo space we've got with the garage, you can get up to 9,900 pounds, so just under 10,000 pounds. So what we're gonna do is open it up, and it won't take long, but we're gonna open it up and then we're gonna show you the outside, then we're gonna show you the inside. So let's get to it. We're all opened up here on the 2016 Forest River Vengeance 28V. Standing here under the power awning, we've got the LED light strip up top. We got some tires here with some great tread on them. Got the nice aluminum wheels, which keeps everything light. Great outdoor space. The awning spans most of the trailer, all the way to the front there. And we do have cable hookups, outlet, outdoor speakers. Got the pass-through storage up front with access underneath the bed right there. Lots of space up front there. We are wired for solar as well. Got a nice fiberglass front, swooped, aerodynamic, nice and smooth. Got the diamond plate. Batteries and tanks up front. See down the side there. Other side of the pass-through storage. Again, aluminum wheels. Great tread on the tires. Electric hookup. Here you see one of the vents for the toy storage in the back. This one does come with the cables to make it a deck. This ramp will obviously go down so you can load up the toys. Get great access to the back here. There's a little preview for you. We're gonna go right in there next. So that is the exterior, power awning. Let's go inside and see what we got. Alright, headed into the Vengeance. Got your kitchen, living space, also added sleeping space because those couches do fold down. And then up front we've got our bathroom and our bedroom. So let's start in the back here. Obviously the deck gives you some nice outdoor space. And it's right off of the sitting area here. And I will show you these guys. It's just a very simple swipe down. So you get two beds out of this. One here, one there. They don't quite touch in the middle. So you get two nice beds out of that. Plus you've got two bunks. Plus you've got the queen in the front. So a lot of sleeping possibilities in this. These do store they'll fold again, and you can strap them to the wall there. So they get out of the way, and then you've got your straps to tie down your toys. Over to the kitchen, we've got a sink, big bowl, got our tanks right here, got some overhead storage, we've got some underneath storage, and then we've got a convection microwave. Takes the place of the stove and gives you some extra storage, or the oven, I'm sorry. The stove is right here with a 3-burner top. Then we've got a nice nor cold refrigerator freezer combo. Fridge, this is a gas or electric freezer. Up top here we've got our platform or our TV mount for the TV, and then we've got a charging center, USB, 12-volt outlet. You've got your cable hookups and a regular outlet. This is a very nice little feature they snuck in here. You got either added storage or you got bunks, which is great to have. Oh yeah. And then we got the hallway going back to the bathroom. Bathroom on the left here. Nice high ceilings for a travel trailer because of the toy hauler. Then we got our sink, our pedestal sink. We've got our medicine cabinet, shower. Again, nice high ceilings, but that also has the skylight in it. And you get the toilet there. So lots of room. As we keep going back, got our thermostat right here to the left. But here is the master. It's got a nice big bed. Got wardrobe storage on either side. Lots of head clearance there. And then you've also got storage above there. And of course we've got hookups over here if you need them. So there is our master, and that is our travel trailer. That is also a toy hauler. 2016 Forest River Vengeance 28V. If you folks have any questions, please give us a call at Souder Motors. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great day.